How's it, guys? Today we will be using the Supco product again. These are heavy duty grease drums from the mines. If it can work on this, it can work on anything. It's even stored at the hazardous waste section. So we'll be putting Supco to the test today. Let's give it a few sprays and check what happens. Let's see what the color is here actually. You don't even need to use a high pressure cleaner. That's the nice beauty of it. Less power, less water used. I'll say, kom ons gee ons 'n paar sekonde. Ons maar kyk wat daar aangaan. So lekker spuit. Don't be shy, you must use it. I'll say. Okay, nou gaan ek net 'n skoon lap vat. Hierso. Ja, as ek die lap kan kry. I'll say, kom ons gee hom so lekker spoel, skoon water. I'll say, and the safety use on your hands. That's what I love about Supco. En ek kyk mooi na my hande, né? Okay, kom ons gee hom so lekker vee daar. Ons kyk wat hier aangaan. Is julle reg? Is julle reg? Kom ons kyk. Ons kan nou die logo sien hierso. Don't play. Ons kyk weer. Yo. And you must know this is heavy duty mining buckets that they store the grease in for the machinery. Kyka. Come on, guys. If you see something working, you must know it's working. And take it from someone that works with heavy duty greases every single day. From grease traps. Kyka so. Drum is mooi skoon. Totally cleaned up. And this is what we were looking at here. Look at that. Hey, look how it softened it up. Yeah. Big difference. I'll say, lekker, Jean-Andre Foster. Reporting from Grease Traps SA. Thank you, Supco, for the wonderful product. Kyk. Lekker.